Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. For the art video we're going to do today, we're going to create a feather. There's a lot of different ways and techniques to accomplish getting a feather look. We're going to try out one of them today, and then we'll check out some other techniques in some later videos. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to be doing a feather for this video project. There are several different ways to create feathers. This is just one of them. We'll explore some more at another time, but I have got three colors here. I've got a turquoise and a really pretty purple and a brown, chocolate brown. I put a little coat of black on my canvas here. And then I'm gonna layer. I'm gonna attempt to layer these colors if I can hold on to them. I mix these paints, 1 part paint with 2 parts the Floetrol. And I just want to do a few little layers here. Like I said, there's several different ways. This is just one that we're going to do today, and then we'll at another point do some different ones. Okay, so now I've got a few layers going here, and I don't have a huge amount mixed because this is not going to cover the entire surface of the canvas. We're just going to make it whatever size feather we desire here. I'm going to see if I can create more or less a little spout, and we're just going to start right here. And I want to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Get that out of the way. I'm going to use this little tool. It's from Artist Loft, this little gadget here. And I'm just going to start taking, kind of, we'll kind of create a center guide to go by here. It'll fill back in, but it'll help us for now. And then from here, I'm going to just start taking and dragging bits of this paint out through here. Keeping in, you can see where it formed that little center line there. I'm just pulling, as you can see, just little bits of the paint through there. And go over it as many times, once you get the desired look that you like, stop. That's a good place to stop. Now I'm going to drag back through the middle because it looks like it kind of got a little off there. It's distorted a little bit. I might have dragged it a little bit, but we're going to just drag some more down here for the stem anyway. Or not the stem, but the base. I want to see if we can, we've got these places through here that I want to see if we can kind of, I think I need water on that. A little bit of water. So I don't want the white, you know, from the canvas to show through here. So, but this is easy enough to come back and kind of touch up as you're going along. But maybe not with a paper towel. Let's see, we can get it. Take my little tool, and that way we can fill in those little spots. I don't want to drip it on my pattern. Want to keep that center pretty defined as much as we can, so it will actually look like a feather. And that is one method. Like I said, we'll explore there's several other methods. We'll explore those at another time. I hope you'll want to give this a try. Use the 3 colors on a black background. You can easily start with just a white background. Whatever you, and on whatever size piece canvas that you desire. This is a 12 by 12. And again, I've used a turquoise, a purple, a burnt, I think this was actually burnt umber. And that's our feather. So please let me know your thoughts on this. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching today, or watching this video today, and I hope that you enjoyed this. It was pretty fun to create this, so I hope you'll give it a try as well. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I hope you'll like, share, and please subscribe. Anyway, whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it, guys.